Alright, so this here is Gallant Green Road in Waldorf, Maryland, and this is another road crossing on the CSX Herbert sub, and here's an overview. First cantilever, as you can see, is from Premier products. Okay. And the lights on this signal, the mast lights, are Western Cone Haze 8-inch lights. Here's a look at the back of one of them. And a couple more, and they're being held by Premier products brackets. The overhead lights are some more Western Cone Haze 8-inch lights. Here's a look at the back of one of them. And the brackets are most likely from Premier products. Yep, I can barely see it right there. The gate mast signal has a Martin Industries base. Gate mechanism is from Western Cone Haze. And you've got the emergency information. As you can see, the dot number is 530-630G. This is my approach to QJ1116. And the bell on this signal, I think, is a General Signals Type 1 electronic bell, because the GS Type 1 electronic bell on Woodville Road was replaced with an NEG electronic bell. That, or it could be a General Signals Type 2 electronic bell, considering that I have never filmed at this crossing before. But on the gate, we have Ricoh gate lights, and are most likely LEDs, because both gates here are completely new installs. Now, if you give me a couple minutes, I'm going to try to hustle myself across the street without getting splattered. And yeah, just to remind you that this crossing itself is shaped like an X, not A+, just like Woodville Road. Anyway, second cantilever is also from Premier products, and the lights are, let's see, mast lights on the signal are 3 Western Cone Haze 8-inch lights and 1 WRS 8-inch light. Here's a look at the back of one of them, and here's a look at the WRS logo, and those are being held by Safetran brackets. Try not to fall. This is a steep slope. But the overhead lights are some more Western Cone Haze 8-inch lights. Barely see the back of one of them. And trying to stay on the slope. But the brackets holding those lights are from Premier products. I don't see a... Trying to step down, it's not easy. I don't see a WRS logo on the back of, or on the side of one of the lights, so I assume they're all Western Cone Haze 8-inch lights. Just shouldn't be at this crossing too much longer, because it's a very tight and busy local road. Anyway, gate mast signal has a Premier products base. Gate mechanism is from Western Cone Haze. And you've got the emergency information. And more Ricoh gate lights on the gate as well. Also most likely LEDs, because that is a new gate install as well, replacing the old gate lights as they were seen from May 2009. Excuse me, it was very rude because I already ate some McDonald's over in Charlotte Hall. But here's a great overview. It's got the wood slabs in between the rails. The rails are very rusted. considering that trains do come down here, but very rare than the Whips Creek sub. Once again, this is the Herbert sub. The track views. This is looking south towards the Chalk Point generating station, and this way is looking north towards Brandywine. And then you've got the relay case, as you can see. And now we're gonna have to wait again. But then again, the electronic bell over there could be a general sense to electronic bell. And I'm gonna dash myself across the street before getting splattered again. And like that, what was that, arcade game from the 80s, 90s named Frogger? I think that's what it was. Just something to relate itself to. And I never got to the front side of the cantilever down there, but I'm pretty sure that the crossbucks were all the same thing, just like the mast crossbuck on this cantilever. The only crossbuck replaced at this crossing was the overhead one, compared to the one found in May 2009. But just wanted to show an overview of Gallant Green Road in Waldorf, Maryland. And unless you know a southbound is coming through here, or if you know something is on scanner, I do not recommend to be at this location, even if it's more than a few minutes. But thanks for watching.